Okay, I think I fixed the knocking sound. I replaced the cam buckets, 7 new ones. One didn't look too bad, so I reused it. $10 a pop, NOS. And reshimmed the valves. So then 0.06 millimeters for the exhaust and 0.06 millimeters for the intake. I don't know what that ticking sound is, but the clack has gone away, but we've created an intermittent tick. It's like almost sounds like a spark plug wire arcing out on something. So the clack is gone. Gotta fix the air filter though. It almost sounds like a car that's got an AC compressor. Oh, the AC kicked in. Oh, it's off again. What is that intermittent tick? Sounds way better though. So happy the tick is gone.